Hi friends, today you are working on deleting the beginning sound of a word. You're going to be on Schoology today for your activity. The first thing you need to do is say the picture that is on the left side. So right here we have a picture of a car. And I'm actually going to move this up so you can see all of our answer choices. I'm going to take away the first sound of that word. In car, take away the k sound, and I'm left with R. I'm going to drag the picture at the bottom that has the same sounds at the end when I take away that first sound. So I have cat, I have hop, I have lick, dish, jar, and nut. The sound I'm trying to find is R, which is like in the word jar. So I would take the jar and drag it up to the very top. You're going to do that for all of the rest of the answer choices. When you're done, click the button to turn it in, and that's it. Have fun!